Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel once again to review the forecast of Nifty during last week of January expiry. Before going to the video, my personal request as usual, newcomers please subscribe and stay connected in our channel. Also click on the bell icon so that you will get the notifications on time as and when we post our videos. Now we will move on to the analysis for next week. There is no big change in the charts which we have taken into consideration between last week and this week, because most of the levels remains the same until the couple of levels on the higher side as well as the support zones remains the same. So that I have taken the same charts. I have drawn a falling trend line, marked two resistance zones and the support area. Apart from that, three moving averages. This black one is the 20 moving average, blue is the 50 moving average, and the pink one is the 100 moving average. If you remember last week, we have clearly mentioned saying that there is something going on in the near the 100 moving average, and also suggested a 400 to 500 point one-sided move from there. Most probably we said that it will be on the higher side. So just see what has happened. Friday low was 17,774. 400 points from here is 18,174. And it has made a high of 18,183. Which means the 400 point swing move which we expected has perfectly played out, and the positions which we have suggested one position, that is 18,000 call to buy when Nifty drops to 17,900, and it gave us an opportunity both on Monday as well as on Tuesday, and then fired on Wednesday. Okay, the one which we have taken at somewhere around 60-65 zones has went all the way till 200 rupees. That was the outcome of the call which we have suggested in our last week video. Now for this week, it's monthly expiry. Three major results outcome is supposed to come on Monday, out of which Reliance has posted a decent set of results. I would not say it's a upbeat, it's a decent set of results. ICICI also has met the expectations. It has not failed to meet. It has met the expectations, and Kotak has beaten the expectations. So all three reactions will come on Monday. And on Monday, we have Axis Bank results. So the outcome will be on Tuesday. It's going to be a jam-packed week for during next week, because many companies out of the Nifty 50 group are coming out with the results. Most probably Maruti, HDFC, Bajaj Twins will come out with the results during next week, but Bajaj Twins will come only after this week expire. I think it is on 27th, I guess. I'm not sure exactly about the date, but somewhere I have seen it is on 27th. Okay, 26th is a holiday, and 25th is the expiry day. So many companies are coming out with results on during next week. So it will be a jam-packed week, and moreover, 1st of February will be the Union Budget of India. This will be the last Union Budget, full Union Budget, which the Finance Minister will be going to give ahead of 2024 elections, because in 2024 it will be interim budget. Actually speaking, in 2024 there will not be any budget. Maybe in September this year or October this year, they will give us a forecast or budget kind of, interim budget kind of stuff. So this is going to be the last budget for the current team. Okay, so there could be some surprises. As of now, we have not seen any pre-budget rally. We are not sure whether we will see a post-budget rally, but as of now, we have not seen any pre-budget rally. There are chances that we could pick up in the last week and climb on the higher side ahead of the expectations from budget. As I said, this is the last budget for them, so there might be some good things coming out of this budget, because only then they will be able to compete in the next term, for their next term, 2024. So that is one point. Let's not go deep into that. We will discuss our analysis only through charts. Okay, right? From this area we have suggested a 400 point bump up, and it has come out, and when it gave two closes above the 20 SMA, we have clearly said that it is going to move up. On Friday it opened on the higher note and then slowly dropped and closed near day's low, because all three stocks which were supposed to deliver results yesterday and today ended with negative thing. So we have dropped. Now one has beaten expectations and the other two has met the expectations. In such case, all three could have a decent up move on Monday. Now the big thing is, all these days HDFC Bank was holding the trigger for the up move, which we have seen during last week. Most probably HDFC's positive will be negative for ICICI Bank, and ICICI's positive will be negative for HDFC Bank. This will be vice versa always. So if ICICI Bank is going to move up on Monday after the results, HDFC Bank could take a breather. Probably we may see even some kind of profit booking over there, because after results the stock came down till 1580, I guess. From 1580 it has had a 80 to 90 point up move non-stop. Even in falling markets also that stock stand tall, and it was taking Bank Nifty and Nifty along with it. Sometimes it was protecting from a big fall. Okay, so on Monday this could be the situation. The support level, first level of support, is the retest of this falling trend line. The trend line which I have drawn, I have connected these two touch points, high of 21st December and high of 4th January. I have connected these two touch points and drawn a falling trend line. We have given a breakout above that, and then we have also closed above 20 moving average for 2 continuous days. The third day there is a fall and it just closed marginally below the 20 moving average, which we may consider as a fake breakdown. Even in SGX we have seen nearly 80 points in green till its close on Friday. So our markets closed by 3:30 and SGX closes by 2 a.m. and till 2 a.m. we have seen a 80 point bump up from the close, which means 18,100 odd zones has been there already. To add party fuel to this party, ICICI and Kotak will also jump in on Monday. So in such case, I would say that there will be a minimum of 100 point gap up opening on Monday, and post that, if at all, I don't know whether we will see or not, if at all we see any dip towards this 20 moving average. What is the 20 moving average? It is around 18,040. If we see any drop towards that level, plus maybe 20 points to 30 points on the higher side, we can have it as a leverage, like 18,040 to 18,070. If we see any drop towards that zone, don't think of Nifty coming into red. Just think of this value 18,040 to 18,070. If at all we come to this zone, it would be a good buying zone with a stop loss of 17,970. On a hourly time frame, if we are closing below 17,970, we can exit the position, or else we can hold it for a good up move. On the upside, the first resistance comes around this 50 SMA area. What is this 50 SMA? 18,283. That is the current 50 SMA. So that will be the resistance. I don't know whether this level will be taken or not. If this level is taken within next week, I mean before budget, we will see the second resistance zone of 18,475. If we are going to take this 50 SMA out, definitely we will be seeing 18,475 before budget. That we may call it as a pre-budget rally from here to there. Because this 400 points rally is nothing, just 2% for the present value of Nifty. So we can't calculate this as a pre-budget rally kind of stuff. If we are going to see any pre-budget rally, generally speaking, if we are speaking about a pre-budget rally, it will be minimum 4 to 5%, and post-budget rally or sell-off, it would be based on the outcome of the budget. So we need not worry very big about that now. For the current week expiry, I am saying after a gap up opening on Monday, if we are seeing a drop towards 18,040 to 18,070 zones, we can initiate a long with a 100 point stop loss from there. Right? And based on this, if you ask me what kind of trade I can take, I would suggest you one trade, but I don't have a stop loss for that particular trade because it will be a hero or zero. Why I am saying it is, expiry comes within 3 days. 26th of January is a Republic Day, our nation's Republic Day, and we are shut on that particular day. So expiry comes on Wednesday itself. So within 3 days, in the sense, we would not be able to fix a stop loss. Okay, even there also, if you are want to stay very safe and secured, means then you may have a stop loss of 17,970 on closing basis. If Nifty closes below that particular level, you need to exit your position, or else you can carry your position till expiry day. If it works, I'm saying that this particular level is the very good chance, 18,260 80. Yeah, 18,280. We would have a similar kind of return like what we got last week. I'm speaking about 18,100 call of Nifty. 18,100 call last week closes, I mean not the close, the last traded price is 71.80. The close would have been adjusted 4 to 5 points from there. Monday, if we are seeing a gap up opening, definitely this will be opening also, opening higher. And post that, if we are seeing any drop, if this particular thing comes around 50 to 55, maybe 45 to 55, okay, on Monday or Tuesday before 12 noon, if it comes around 45 to 55, take it as a hero or zero trade. If it works and if our level comes on Wednesday before expiry, this position will be at 180 rupees. If not, this 45 to 50 rupees will be gone for a toss and it will be your stop loss. And still, for safe traders, if you want a good stop loss for you, then it will be 17,970 on closing basis, right? So mark the levels accordingly in Nifty spot chart, and also add this 18,100 call to your watch list, and then trade as per the levels given. Don't overtrade, just go with one or two lots, that is more than enough. Because couple of times I am getting messages saying that sir, I have got 10 lots of this one which we have suggested, what I need to do. The problem with people is they will ask only when it is in loss, they will not say me when it is in profits. Okay, so profit and loss is part of markets, we all know that. So understand that, and nobody is going to get richer person in just 1 or 2 days of trading. So please don't trade beyond your capacity. Just go with one or two lots. It will benefit you, even if it is profit or loss. Let it be small, right? The last request which I have is after going through this video, if you feel that this video is helpful for you, and if you find that this will help your friends as well, please do share it to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets. And you are always welcome to post your likes or dislikes or comments on this video, be it positive or negative. Don't worry about it. If it is positive, it will be a motivational factor for me, and if it is negative, it will be a learning curve for me. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.